आज आपको दिखाते हैं कि यहाँ पे कनाडा में और यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में लोग के पास जो एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें होती हैं वो उनको कैसे यूटिलाइज़ करते हैं। यहाँ पे उसको बोलते हैं गराज सेल्स। हाँ, आज आपको दिखाते हैं गराज सेल क्या है।
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
ये है गराज सेल, जहाँ पे लोगों के पास जब एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें होती हैं तो वैसे गराज सेल भी उसको लगा देते हैं।
I like to be way more patient. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I
Oh no, that's if you are cutting the grass and you need this here to show your hair. It will not get noisy. Just no, it's not fine. I don't want that. ये इन्होंने शर्टें लगाई हुई हैं, मेल फीमेल के कपड़े हैं। $1 में ये बेच रहे हैं, जिसमें कपड़े हैं, ये बर्तन पड़े हैं।
wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing
Be careful.
that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I
ये वॉल पेंटिंग्स पड़ी हैं जो कि $5 की सेट ऑफ 2, $5 सेट ऑफ 2। ये बड़ी पेंटिंग 5 की।
I like to be educated.
ये बच्चों की गेम्स
But I'm
पड़ी
so
हैं,
frustrated. Hello to my
puzzles।
loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I
ये
miss
मूवीज़ पड़ी हैं, द फॉरबिडन किंगडम,
we're all screwed.
जैकी चैन। ये DVDs हैं और यहाँ पे DVDs अभी भी चलती हैं। टेकन 3 $1 दे रहे हैं ये एक DVD। ये बुक्स पड़ी हुई हैं, कुकिंग रेसिपीज़,
Way more patient. Stay up.
डॉक्टर प्लान डिज़ाइन।
How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance?
You can take so many you want.
First glance.
How many you want?
But I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
ये जहाँ पे कैशियर बैठा हुआ है तो पैसे लेता है आपसे। these are the studs. Kiddies, 12 locks, 2 keys. Open it.
these are slots for the kids to use.
Let me check the painting.
I knew. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
It's tight, Liz. I'll come back and get that.
How much I miss. I know.
Okay. Okay.
We're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Lydia, how much are the dresses?
How much on the regalia there?
I wish I knew
How much is it?
how much I miss.
That's alright, I'll take the deep purple. Everyone wins.
When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
They are here.
But I'm so
I just
frustrated.
can't wear them.
Hello to my
Needless to say.
loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before
Did you put a price on that?
now. Take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. We play our roles and ignore the problems.
Oh, okay. Oh, hiss. He got the rest, you beat me to it.
Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look
much
the
have on these?
other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance.
How you doing, guys?
I don't know,
How you
but I know I
doing?
gotta
Doing good. How
do
about
it.
you?
The truth is hard to swallow.
Okay, I'm
I think I'll chew it.
I got two of them. 1, 2, thank you so much.